My name's Daniel. I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to make your brackets look awesome with just a grinder. You don't need fancy tools to make cool brackets and things like that. You don't need an arc droid or any of that kind of stuff. You can do a lot with just a drill and a grinder. So let me show you some tricks to make your brackets a little bit nicer. So let's pretend this is the bracket we just made. It's got holes you made in it. It fits perfect, bolts something to something else. And you want to kind of finish it off and make it look nicer because it's super ugly right now. It's got sharp edges. You're going to cut yourself on it. So one thing you can do is you can round the corners off. That makes it look way more professional. A socket will work good as a template. So you can kind of go like that. You get your fine tip Sharpie out. All right. So then that gives you a guide to go by to round your corner off. So let's bring it over to the vise and we'll round the corner off and you'll see how much better it looks. All right. So keep in mind your grinder wheel has a little bit of an angle to the wheel itself, but generally you want to keep it 90 degrees. That way you're not grinding it. This is an extreme example, like back that way or something weird. You just want to grind it even like that. I'm going to knock the point down first, get that knocked off quite a bit, and then I'm going to start rounding it. Something like that. Let's take a closer look. So as you can see, it looks a lot better. We pretty much matched the curve of our socket there. And then let me bring you in for a closer look here. So that's how it looks, all rounded off. Looks way more professional than over here. This is just ugly and gross, and you're gonna cut yourself on it. Now I'm gonna give you another tip, because I feel we're not quite done yet. I don't just finish a bracket like this. I find that on the edges, might be hard to see there, they're really sharp. And I like to knock those down just a little bit. So let's go back to the vise and I'll kind of show you that. So what I typically do is I'll do about a 45 on the whole edge. I'll start there and then I'll probably do like maybe a 15 both directions. And usually that kind of rounds this edge. You don't want to go too crazy if you want to still keep like a decent edge on here. You're just trying to knock it back. You could round it more if you chose to, if your application needed that. But most of the time I just knock the edge off just so you're not going to cut yourself on it or anything like that. This side has a little bit of a ridge. So when that happens, sometimes I'll come flat and just knock that ridge down. But this front side doesn't really have it. So let me demonstrate on the front side what I would do. And then now you can feel it. Usually I take my thumb and feel it just to make sure it's acceptable. But you get a nice smooth edge on there. Let me show you a little closer. So here's a close-up look of it. Actually, let me show you this side we didn't do. Let me see if that'll come out on camera. I don't know if you can tell, it's just kind of sharp. I don't know if I have the focus for this. So that's the sharp side. And this side is smoothed out a little bit. So it's nothing crazy, just a little something just to take the edge off, you know? And that makes your brackets way nicer. They look cooler. And it looks like you gave a crap when you made them. So if you want to make your brackets that much nicer, do something like this and it'll be pretty professional with just basic hand tools. So let me know if you guys like that video. I might also follow this up, if you guys want, with maybe a video on how to drill holes and stuff like that, get them measured out easily and things like that. I might do that as the next video, we'll see. Let me know in the comments. And I'm doing a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. Here's a video on why I'm doing that. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow. I'm doing a video every day because I want to grow the channel, get monetized, and start building things again.